So thank you very much. Well, it's very good because I'm the last one and almost everything has been already said. And I already took note that we will get a lot of ideas and recommendations. And so, in fact, there is not much to say or to do, just to collect all what you have. Well, I think that you all now recognize this graph. As you can see, the organizational interoperability is just in the middle. And we have been talking about technical. This morning there were quite a number of presentations showing how important technical interoperability is. Semantic also. Just before us we talk about the legal. But organizational, well, there was a question mark put by a professor saying, what is this? And indeed, it is in the middle. And we have this governance that goes in all the layers that is really needed. So something that was implicitly said through all the presentations, but I wanted to remind this, that we are not doing interoperability just for the sake of doing interoperability and just to practice this difficult word, but because we have found really a correlation between having digital public services qualifying at high quality and the compliance with the interoperability in the different member states, for example. So this means that interoperability is really an enabler to have high quality public services. So this was just a reminder that we are not here for the sake of being here, but we look for citizens. Organizational interoperability, I had to take the definition that is in the European Interoperability Framework. We are talking about how to align business processes in the public administrations, how to share responsibilities, who has to do what, for something that has been commonly agreed. But why should we do this? And this, well, you can imagine this being a citizen trying to pronounce interoperability, but I think that at the end of the day, we all manage that very well. But this is, okay, if we take the things from a different perspective, let's say I'm a citizen, I'm a user, and previously we talked about user centricity, and indeed it's this. If I'm a citizen and I have to interact with the administration, why should I know that I have to go to this ministry, then to another one, and put one document or one information from one to the other, or to which one to go? So this is what we are talking about, is how to offer the services to the citizens without the citizens having to know which is the complexity that is in the public administrations. Citizens, they don't need to know that we have 10 ministries or 10 different services to do different things. They just need the services to be offered to them. So this is why we need the process alignment. And for that, we need to define correctly the process. But this is why, if we take the perspective from the citizen, we will have the complete business process that is needed. And for that, we may touch different services. This is where we need the alignment, to make sure that what we offer is going smoothly together. For that, we also have to agree on how we will interact internally without showing this complexity outside to the citizen. There is some work that already started under the ISA² Programme. The document, the study that was done is published in JoinUp, so you can find all the details there. I won't go in all the details of the study. Just to say, we have started drafting the guidelines to help indeed with this question mark on how to manage this. We put forward a model which covers, I think most of the levels have already been tackled today, like political, strategic, tactical, and operational. Sometimes you can find them mixed up, but it's good to know that they all exist, because then you will set it up better. And so what is next? That's what Paul asked me. And well, the next was already today, because we wanted to raise awareness about the organizational interoperability, because it's something which is still probably not mature or not looked in depth yet. We will continue working in having common process models, how to describe them, to have guidelines, but we won't do that alone. That's why you were invited here today. So we will be asking you to provide your input, your good experiences, so to everybody, because we want to come with concrete examples that will help you to apply, and you will have the guidelines that can help you. And we will do also that in a very interactive way, because we will run some workshops from which we will then design the guidelines and the concrete examples. So we will ask for your help, for your feedback, and for your input. Thank you.